How to screen share on a WhatsApp video call. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So there are many applications that you can use to share your screen on WhatsApp call, but not like integrating your screen in the WhatsApp. So it's not possible. So you have to simply search for screen share, and you can go with any of these applications that you would like. So in my case I am using this one. So simply open it up. Now make sure to ask the person to download the same application on his mobile. So now let's get started. Now once you are here, you have to go for this share this screen and go for this grant access, and you have to go for this display over other apps and make sure to turn this on. So now you have to simply click on start now, and then your code will appear and you have to simply give that code to the particular person that you are on a call with, and you are good to go. So that's how basically you can share screen on a WhatsApp video call.